What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. We can hear the pitter-patter of Lily's little feet just coming down the hallway. So cute. Today, we're going to be making a cocktail called the El Fiero. The El Fiero was created by a bartender named Aaron Ayala at the Ace Bar in Los Angeles. Or it's like, not the Ace Bar, it's actually the rooftop at the Ace Hotel Bar. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, I have known Aaron for many years. He has been a fixture in the LA bartender community for a very long time. He is a wonderful bartender, and he came to my bar last week to show me this cocktail. Well, he came to my bar last week to hang out and say hi, and then he was like, hey, can I show you a cocktail? And I was like, yes, and he was like, it's actually inspired by one of your cocktails, and then that made me flattered, and I thought that this deserved a very... I just, here's the thing, okay? It's a little narcissistic. Marius is looking at me like, you're being really narcissistic. But basically, I was very flattered that one of my cocktails inspired this other cocktail, and I tasted it. So I made it, and I tasted it, and I really liked it. And what's great about it is that if you build it in the way that I'm going to build it now, it's like a winter-flavored drink that kind of looks like a martini because everything is quite clear that we're going to put into it. So it kind of looks like a martini, but it's got cocoa, it's got mint, it's got orange, you know, from the Cointreau. You can use triple sec too, I guess. And it is really well done. So last year I was doing a cocktail called a Girl Scout cookie at Kohl's, and we made a video about it. Just follow the link above and you can see it as well. We've already made a video on it. And this cocktail came out of Aaron's love for that cocktail, which makes me very happy because I like inspiring people to do awesome creative stuff. And this is a great drink because he is a great bartender. So let's get into making the drink. Marius is like, stop talking, a-hole.
All right. He was like, I think he can do better.
What?
He was like, I can do better than this. And he made it better.
Oh, maybe he did. Yeah, maybe he did. See, for all of you guys that think that I am so mean to Marius, there you go. Maybe he'll edit that out, but you got a little taste of the sass I have to deal with on this channel. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is half an ounce of Cointreau. We're going to do half an ounce of creme de menthe.
For some reason, I always think that the Cointreau is going to be...
I'm going to do this label out for you guys. What's that?
The Cointreau always, like, that should be like a darker color, but not clear.
The Cointreau should be?
Yeah, because I guess it's the color of the bottle.
Well, you think that that maybe it's because of the color of the bottle. Also, you may think that because we use Curacao,
yeah,
and Curacao is like an orangey kind of like ambery sort of color. And we're going to use white creme de coco. Now, you could use, creme de cacao. You could use creme de cacao that is dark. There are light and dark, but I thought, why not the light? Everything in here is light. This is going to taste like an amazing... This is going to look like a martini, but taste like something completely different and very holiday forward since we are in that time of year at the moment. I said, right, bar spoon? Yeah. I mean, you all saw me do a bar spoon anyway, so. And then we're going to do an ounce and a half of tequila. We're using Blanco tequila from El Tesoro because it's wonderful, wonderful stuff. Now I'm using the ends. I just recently froze clear ice to cut it for rock ice for old-fashioned cocktails and stuff. And you can use all of the spent ends, what some people call junk ice, as stirring ice. So don't waste it. Add it into there. Now let's give that old stirry poo that you guys have come to know and love.
And some hate. And some hate.
And some hate, that's true, yeah. But you know what we say to the haters, right? I don't have to say it. You can imagine what we say to the haters. There's only one person that actually hates us.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, there's only one person that leaves really mean comments. You know who that person is. I'm not going to say their name because I don't want to give them any attention other than just saying that they exist.
I think they secretly...
They know who I'm talking about.
Right. They secretly love us. Just don't want to admit it.
What's that?
They secretly love us.
They must. I mean, the person, whoever it is, I don't know if it's a guy or a girl, but the person who writes it pretty consistently. And not only that, but like, you're right. I think that this person loves us secretly. Because why would you Why would you just comment so consistently if you didn't watch every video? Well, you know what they say about hate. You have to love something to hate it, right? So here we go. Anyway, we're gonna pour our cocktail into our cocktail glass. Oh, into this nice Nick and Nora that matches the stirring glass. That is my favorite thing, by the way, guys. We have a matching set here, and I love it. It's got these nice little, it's just like this texture. Look at that texture. It's just so beautiful. It's just nice little design, little textured design that is actually texture as well.
The whole thing, it looks glowing.
Well, it's just such a, I mean, like we did this as like a, it looks, you know why it looks glowing? Because the liqueurs are not actually clear. They have like a little bit of color, and you're seeing that little bit of color
through the,
or maybe maybe followed by the light refracting through the pattern. Maybe it's a very nice glass, nice presentation. Oh, look at that! It's a beautiful glass. Link to the glass and this wonderful stirring glass will be below, my friends. I mean, we always link the gear, but you know, check these guys out. They make good stuff. Let's take a sip. This is like, what do you think this is going to taste like? It looks like a martini. I love it. Yes. Now what you got right there is you got the creme de menthe, which is shining through the tequila, but you get those agave notes as well. The orange comes in on the back end, and you have just that little hint of creme de coco, just kind of shoring up the entire thing. Although the agave and the mint are the main flavors, that creme de coco coming on the back, you would think it's like too sweet because like it's like this. Like honestly, if we're gonna talk about it, this is like sweet on kind of sweet and dry. So you would think that it would be too sweet, that you would need a bittering agent in here. But to tell you the truth, in practice, while it's in a sweeter, even though it's a sweeter style drink, it is not overly sweet and cloying. And it has a lot to do with the way that the creme de menthe and the tequila mix. There you have it. El Fiero. If you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe. And check us out on Patreon, patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly. If you were wondering this whole time why I look so dashing, it's probably because of these aprons that I wear from Staggerly Goods. These aprons are amazing. They are high quality. They are tough as nails. I've been using them for a good long while now. There is a reason why they are our sponsor, our only sponsor for aprons. And right now, through the end of the year, you can get a discount, 30%, if you go to staggerlygoods.com, buy whatever you want, and then at checkout, it's SLG Save 30 at the checkout window. It's not really a window. I guess it is a window, actually, because the internet browser opens a window.
Right, it's a little box, which is...
Yes, and then for the stirring glass and the wonderful Nick and Nora, that is Amelha. It's kind of hard. I want to like put an H in there for some reason, but it's Amelha Cocktailery. I have a link below. I might be mispronouncing that. I hope I'm not. And then if you ever thought about like where we get this awesome gear, all of these tools that we use, our official tool sponsor is Barfly Mixology Gear. You should check them out. We have links below that are all affiliate links to our Amazon store, which helps us get a little kickback to help this show. Check them all out. So I will see you guys on another time. Hope you guys are having a good holiday season.